1967 here. Today I'm bringing you a Makita 574R circular saw. Alright, it comes in this really sturdy case. I'm going to give you some measurements now so you can see. Alright, it's 14 inches by 10. Okay, by 11. Alright, let's see if this thing really can, or does it fall a bit? No, that's pretty sturdy. Good case. Alright, so let's have a look at the meat and potatoes inside. As you saw, that's how I got it online. The price I got it online was from Tool Tank and it's for $89.99. Alright, so there's the instructions. Alright, it comes with a nice 8-foot lead and it's also made in Britain, none of this Chinese rubbish. And it's Belgium as well, so you've got the quality European stuff. It's a 1200 watt and it's quite a quiet machine. So let's say the quietness of it is not going to upset the neighbours. So I'm going to test that theory out. Alright. Quite a quick break on it. The blade is a tungsten carbide blade from Makita itself, so that should last a while. I'm actually using this just to cut wood with, pallets and stuff, so I'm going to show you that. Watch out for my next videos on that one. The actual saw itself doesn't feel overly heavy. If you hold it in two hands, it's absolutely fantastic. It just feels a quality item. You know, this is metal, it's not plastic, it doesn't feel like it's going to fall to bits. So that's it guys, that's a quick look at the 574R. Alright, thanks guys, we see you in the next one. Switch it up.